How to fix Kuwait Mobile ID app not working problem. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Kuwait Mobile ID app not working issue. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open Play Store or App Store on your device. Tap search icon. Tap on search bar at top of the screen and search for the update of Kuwait Mobile ID app. If you see any updates of the app, tap Update button to update it to the latest version. Updating app will help us get rid of this kind of error and box. Now try opening your app. If your app is still not working or opening, open Settings on your device. Tap on Wi-Fi. Ensure that you have stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, try switching to mobile data. Once done, come back, select the mobile network, select your SIM card, tap Preferred Network Type and set it to Auto. Come back, tap Access Point Names, select three dots, tap Reset Access Points to reset your access points. Once you are done with that, tap Connection and Sharing, select or open and turn on airplane mode for a while and switch it back after 2 or 3 seconds. Come back, open Settings again, scroll down, open Apps and select App Management. Tap on the search bar, search for Kuwait Mobile ID app. Open it and here select Storage Uses. Clear the cache of the app and clear the data of the app as well. This will help us get rid of different glitches on the app. Now tap Battery Uses. Tap Force Stop to force start the app. Lastly, restart the device. That is how we fix Kuwait Mobile ID app not working issue. That's all for today. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching.